Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So in this video we are going to discuss, can you continue studying in Canada when your study permit expires and you have applied for your study permit extension and waiting for the results. So before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe right now, because I regularly upload videos. And if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask us. This is your own channel. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, I usually get this question a lot from students, those who apply for their study permit extension, like can they continue studying in Canada while their study permit application, I mean extension application, is in progress. So that is why I have answered this sometimes in comments, but I thought of making this video so that new students, they will get this question answered clearly. So in front of you, I have opened the page where IRCC describes the process of extending your study permit when to apply. So they have written, you should apply to extend your permit at least 30 days before it expires. Make sure your passport doesn't expire at the same time. You can't extend your study permit beyond your passport's expiry date. So that means you should be very careful with your passport. And it's always good to have a passport of decent duration so that you can get what you really want to. If you apply before your permit expires, you can stay in Canada under the same conditions as your study permit until we make a decision. So this paragraph defines what it is like when you apply for extension. So it clearly says when you apply before your permit expires, you can stay in Canada under the same conditions as your current study permit until we make a decision. You should apply to extend your study permit if you plan to travel outside Canada and your permit will expire while you are traveling. You know why this is? Because once your study permit extension is granted, based on that you can apply for a temporary resident visa if you need a visa to return to Canada. So that you should apply in advance, so that if urgently you need, you can go for it. And it's a general suggestion to all the people. Like a lot of people I have seen, like they don't take this advice seriously. Like sometimes they gotta travel urgently to some other country, and when they go they realize, oh, their visa is expired, they have to apply for the visa, they have the permit. So guys, always keep an eye like what validity you have on your passport, your travel documents, your permits, and based on that always ready with the mobility. Like let's say your work permit is extended for another 2 years, but your visa is expired. What's going to happen tomorrow if you go out of Canada? You're going to apply for a visa to come back, and in this pandemic time you don't know how long it's going to take. So it's advisable to apply in advance, because right now if you apply for temporary resident visa, biometrics within Canada is not required as of now. They can change it anytime once they open biometric centers. So that will be really helpful. So keep these things in your mind and then proceed. So I hope you like this video. Make sure to give it a like, comment, and if you have any concern, any question, anything that comes in your mind, feel always absolutely free to ask. Thank you guys.